Hello everyone, welcome to the learning session of mathematics. Myself, Yogesh Sahu, your math teacher from Prabhat Kids School, Akola. Today, we are going to continue our learning of various theorems. Today, we have chosen co-interior angle theorem, that is theorem number 6.4 in our textbook. What it says, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Now we first need to represent the given statement in geometrical form, that is with the help of figures. What it says, a transversal intersects two parallel lines. So we have drawn two parallel lines, AB and CD, and a transversal is intersecting it at Q and R. So we are going to write the same. AB is parallel to CD. Why? Because it is given. If और then के बीच का statement given होता है. So AB is parallel to CD and PS intersects AB at Q and CD at R. What we have to prove? We have to prove that each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angle, but on the same side of transversal. So first we will choose this and this. They are interior angles on same side of transversal. Another one we will choose this one. Right? Now we will write it as an angle AQR plus angle CRQ is equals to 180 degree. This is the first pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Another one is angle BQR plus angle DRQ is equals to 180 degree. हमें इन दोनों में से एक स्टेटमेंट को प्रूव करना है, दूसरा हम सिमिलरली प्रूव कर सकते हैं. तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू प्रूव एनी theorem, always look for corresponding angles, because that is the axiom which is the base for all the theorems. So we are going to search for this, whether we can find angles corresponding to AQR or CRQ. So I have found the angle which is corresponding to CRQ, that is this one. AQP is corresponding to CRQ. So I can write in under proof angle AQP is equals to angle CRQ, since they are corresponding angles. This is our statement 1 or equation 1. Another thing I know, that angle AQR plus angle AQP is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because they are on this line. Yes, AQR, AQP. Angle AQR plus angle AQP is equals to 180 degree. That is, इसका रीजन है LP is linear pair of angles. This is our equation 2. Right? Now AQP is equals to CRQ. So from 1 and 2 we can say angle AQR plus, अब AQP की जगह पर हमने अगर CRQ रखा तो भी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू रहने वाला है. एंगल CRQ is equals to 180. ये हमारा स्टेटमेंट है AQR plus CRQ is equals to 180 degree. Yes. This one is here. We can say that if two lines are parallel and a transversal intersect them, then the sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. These two are supplementary, right? Similarly, we can prove angle BQR plus angle DRQ is equals to 180. Hence, the theorem is proved. Like this, we can prove this co-interior angle. Let's see its converse. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. What we have been given? That two lines are intersected by a transversal. So we have drawn two lines which are intersected by a transversal, right? Such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. This pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. Means we have been given that angle AQR plus angle CRQ is equals to 180 degree. This is given to us. Then the two lines are parallel. Then after that, whatever it is to be proven. We have to prove that lines AB is parallel to line CD. Now it is very simple. First, write all the given things which you can observe. So we can observe that PS intersects, line PS intersects AB at Q and CD at R. Right? This is the given part. Now let's prove it. Give the proof. अब आपको जो लाइन्स है उनको पैरेलल दिखाना है, तो आपको क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा? करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल एक्सियम का कॉन्वर्स. ओके, व्हाट इट सेज? इफ टू एंगल्स made by a transversal, two corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So we have to prove that two corresponding angles, this one and this one, are equal, right? So let's write it down. We have been given this, we will write this given statement: angle AQR plus angle CRQ is equals to 180 degree. We know that. Now somehow we have to make these two, CRQ and AQP, equal. Now with AQP we have another relation. This one is given, so it will be our first equation. Now angle AQR plus angle AQP is equals to 180 degree. Everyone knows it is LPA, linear pair of angles. Equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 we see the RHS are equal, so that LHS will be equal. So we can write angle AQR plus angle AQP is equals to angle AQR plus angle CRQ. This we can write from 1 and 2. इक्वेशन 1 और 2 से हमने ये डिराइव किया. ये दोनों के आरएचएस सेम है तो एलएचएस भी सेम होंगे. मैंने पहले ये वाला इक्वेशन लिखा, फिर उसके इक्वल में ये वाला इक्वेशन लिखा. अब गौर से देखने में पता चलता है कि ये जो एंगल AQR है ये दोनों तरफ है. So can we remove it from both the sides? Yes, है ना? जो दोनों तरफ सेम सेम काम करता है वो हमारा दोनों के किसी काम का नहीं. We can remove it. So what we have got? Angle AQP is equals to angle CRQ, right? Angle CRQ. AQP is equals to CRQ. Now, but they are which angles? Corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. We can simply write, therefore line AB is parallel to line CD. और इसका रीजन क्या है? Converse of corresponding angle axiom. This is how we have proven the converse of co-interior angles. Right? If two angles on the same side, two interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the two lines which are being intersected by the transversal are parallel. Right? Now, the theorem 6.6 is there for you to prove. I will help you to just write the given and to prove. So, what it says, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So, here we are going to draw one line. First, we will draw this one line. Now, there are two other lines which are parallel to this line. Let's say this one. And right? See, what is given? That AB is parallel to CD and EF is also parallel to CD. EF is also parallel to CD. Right? So what we are going to write? We have been given that AB is parallel to CD. Also, CD is parallel to EF. We have to prove that AB is parallel to EF. Now, remember, for proving any two lines parallel, we should always try to prove that corresponding angles are equal. So, now to get corresponding angles, we need to draw a transversal. So, we will have here construction. This construction step we have to do. Construction. Draw line PT intersecting. कैसे इंटरसेक्ट करिए देखेंगे. AB at Q, CD at R and EF at S. Now let's draw it. See, this one is PT. Now it is cutting AB at Q, CD at R and EF at S. Now what is our target? Our target is to prove corresponding angles equal. Let me highlight those angles for you. This one and this one and this one. Right? So here onwards, the proof you are going to write on the pages and send it as homework. This proof is going to be your homework. Right? That's all for today.